So guys, in today's video, actually I shot other videos today, but I wanted to close today's video with let's speak Igbo today. Yes, let's speak Igbo today is I want to talk with my subscribers, because I know 80% of my subscribers here are subscribed because I teach Igbo on this channel, and I really want you guys to learn Igbo from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, I really do. Yeah, I really do, because I take teaching this Igbo to you guys very important to me, very seriously. Yes, I take it very seriously, and I would want you to learn. I would want you to say, I learned Igbo on igboticnono channel. I want you to say, go to igboticnono channel. You learn Igbo there. It's very easy to learn Igbo there. She made her channel lively and aesthetically pleasing and easy to understand, even though we don't know her. That's what I want to be hearing about my channel. So now, let's speak Igbo today. I want you guys to tell me in the comment section, what are you finding difficult that has made you not to get to that level you want to get in speaking this native language, your mother's tongue, which is Igbo language? What is the problem? Tell me in the comment section, what do you think? What is the problem that has limited you from learning Igbo language as much as you wanted to? Or you felt you're not speaking Igbo language the way you're supposed to be speaking, or how much you're supposed to have been speaking by now? What is difficulty in learning Igbo language? Please guys, I don't have godfather on this YouTube community. I don't have godfather. You are my godfather. You are my godfather and my godmother. Please. The reason why I say you should subscribe to my channel and like my video is because when you do that, YouTube algorithm, they say, will recognize me and push my videos to the bus stop where it will reach. Everybody will, I'll get traffic on my channel. People will see what I am doing. At least I'll give you guys enough reason to know that I'm all out for you guys. My consistency. I shoot videos, I post videos every day on this channel, and trust me, if you're a YouTuber, you know it's not easy. Yes, and if you're not even a YouTuber, you know it's not easy. Being the fact that I even teach Igbo language most times on this channel, so I have to have two subtitles, English and Igbo translations, and I write these things myself, so trust me, it's not anywhere easy. So please help me. Okay, help me, let's grow this channel. 2022 has gone. We are not at the target we planned on being, but we are alive and we're healthy and we're grateful. So this is 2023 and we keep pushing. Okay, we keep pushing whatever thing you're doing that has not gotten to the height you want it to get to. Yeah, don't relent, keep going. Okay, we'll get there someday. Yes, because this is New Year 2023. This is a very important question for me, and I want to see your massive comments down in the comment section, because it will help me to organize my notes. It will help me to organize my life and know how I bring out videos for you every week, and know what you want, because this is my channel but it's your show. So I want to know what you want, so I know how to bring out content. I know where to channel my energy more, so that you people can learn how to speak your mother's tongue, which is my priority on this channel. Yes, I'm waiting for my child to be a little bit, start speaking well, not Igbo well, start communicating well, because she's still small, so that I can even bring her in on this channel as well to motivate your children. Yeah, that's what I intend to do. Okay, I just want to know where I can be of help, for you to start speaking Igbo. If you see me looking this way, it's because I have jotted these things down. If you don't jot it down, you forget it. I'm not a young girl anymore, so I need to jot things down so I don't forget what I want to say. So where can I be of help? Where can I be of help? Where can I help you so you can start to speak better? Where can I concentrate? Where can I put my energy more in? Where can I put my energy more in? Another advice, please put that in the comment section with the things I just asked you now. Please, very important to me. Please, I want to see your comments. Moving on to something else. Remember, as you're striving to learn this language, if you're not confident of yourself, it will be difficult for you to learn it. You need to speak. You need to make mistake. When you speak, when you make mistake, then you learn. If you don't speak and only speak in your head, you can't speak out, you can't make mistake, and you cannot learn. So that thing that is in your head, speak it out, so that when you fail, you learn. We fail to learn. We fall to rise. Okay? Ignore the errors. Ignore the mistakes you make when you're speaking. Just speak. Speak anything. Even the person beside you knows that you're learning this language, and the person can come in and say, no, it's not this, it's that. And be open to criticism. Be open to corrections. Don't feel shy, intimidated, inferior, or when somebody corrects you, when you try to use these sentences, when you try to speak your mother's tongue, somebody corrects you. Don't be shy, don't be intimidated. Seriously, people are even going to be proud of you. Okay? So please guys, this is just it. Just please tell me in the comment section what you are finding difficult the most in learning Igbo. Where can I be of help? Where do you want me to channel my energy more in this 2023? This is first week of January. Because this is not more than first week of January that you see this video. So I can plan my year and know where to channel my energy more. Because I want you guys to say, I learned Igbo on the igboticnono channel. Go to igboticnono channel, you learn how to speak Igbo there. Refer people to this place. That is what I will love. Remember, subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes, I said that. You're my godfather. I don't have godfather in any YouTube community. Because they'll come here and be posting and be saying, why are people telling me to post you on my community? When I came, I did hard work. And I got to myself. And algorithm, they say, favored me. No problem. I don't have godfather. You are my godfather. Like my video. Share my video. So that we will win. So that our YouTube algorithm will see us too. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any video content idea, put that in the comment section too. I'm there. Okay? To have a lovely day. Follow me. I forget to tell you guys to follow me on my Instagram. I have an Instagram account too. Follow me on my Instagram, please. At igboticnono. Okay? I drop some videos there as well. Yes. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye.